What?
Imitate Kara's laugh again.
I don't know if I can do it. Here, take it. What was it? Wait, how does it go?
I don't know. You're gonna have to do it.
Wait, what's Kara's laugh? Laugh, Kara.
You're like, she looks like.
It's like. It's like.
That's not it.
That wasn't it, but that one was good too. Keep moving. How you did. That's great.
My belly is filling. Don't stop filming me. It's a good day in the woods, isn't it? Nice and cheery. Don't pee your pants, Dad. Chelsea, don't pee your pants.
Crikey, I feel a wet spell coming on.
I can't breathe. Ouch, my stomach hurts. You look like a monkey.
I do that in the mirror sometimes. I'm like,
Look here, we found a monkey. We found it after all these years. After all these years of traveling in the deep wood and the fires we've been cooking, we found it.
we found it.
And it's just as normal as us. For the most part.
My stomach hurts.
The monkey must have eaten too many green leaves. Don't disturb it. It might come at you.